Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Shall we learn how to draw Rocky from Paw Patrol today? Let's grab your pencils and we will get started. We will start with Rocky's cap today. Draw 3 guiding dots first, and join the dots together with a semicircle. Next, close the gap below using a curved line. Then create a small layer below, following the outline of the curve. Add another layer, this time not leaving any space. And complete with a small semicircle on top of the cap. Let's move on to draw Rocky's ears. From the middle of the cap, draw an inverted V, followed by a small inward V for the chip he has on his ear, and a line down to the position slightly below the cap. Add a line in the ear to complete. Let's move on to the next ear. Draw an inverted wide-angled V first. Then add a smaller one below. And close the gap in between. We shall proceed to work on his face next. At the bottom of the cap, draw a small line heading outward. Then draw a V followed by a longer outward line, like so. Repeat the same steps for the other side. And finish up by a line from the ear to his face to close. Add in the eyebrows next. And we will proceed to draw his eyes. You can plot 3 dots first, and draw an inverted U using them as a guide. Close the gap. And repeat the same with a smaller one inside. Shall we proceed to give the eyes some emotions now? Draw 2 dots inside the circle, close to each other. Then, draw an open circle using the dots as a guide, like so. Proceed to close the gap with a small semicircle. Repeat similar steps on the other eye. Next, we shall add in the spots that Rocky has around his eyes. From the top of the cap, a distance away from the eye, draw a curved line down. Then continue with a rounded J at the other side, like so. The eyes are completed now. Let's move on to the nose next. At a slight distance below the eye, draw a curved line over to the other eye. Using the 3 dots as a guide, draw a wide rounded V. then close at the top. To create a reflection feel at the top of his nose, you can draw a rounded rectangle and shade the remaining area. Let's add in Rocky's mouth and vertical groove from the nose to the mouth next. Moving on, we shall start working on his paws. At a distance from his face, draw 3 small curves, ending slightly below the eye. Now repeat an inverted one below. And close the gap at both sides. Next, add in a curved line at each bend. Let's repeat the same for the other paw. And we can now close up the face by joining up from paw to paw. We are almost completed with Rocky. Let's finish off with his badge on his cap. Using 3 dots as a guide, draw a V in the middle of the cap. Then at a small distance apart from the 2 ends of the V, draw a curved line. And complete with a dent in at both ends. Next, we can proceed to create a smaller one inside. Let's end off with drawing the paw print inside the badge. Draw 3 ovals in the shape of a fan. Next, draw a small semicircle below and close off the gap with a line. You have learned how to draw Rocky now. Hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Please help me like, share and subscribe.